Hello, my dear students. Myself, Devi Prasad Sir, welcomes back to you to this chemistry class. In this video, I am going to explain you all the question and answers of the chapter number 2, that is physical and chemical changes. Now, choose the correct option. The first question goes like this: making bread from flour is days. The options are given: an irreversible change, a slow change, a chemical change, and the last option is all of the above. For this question, the last option, that is D, all of the above, is the correct one. The second question, that is which one of the following is an example of a physical change? The options are like this: boiling vegetables, burning wood, tying shoelaces, and the fourth one, baking bread. And in this question, the third option, that is tying shoelaces, is the correct option. Now, the question number 3: which of the following is an example of a chemical change? The options are like this: cooking rice, second one, writing with chalk, third one, adding salt to water, fourth one, cutting up cloth. The option number A, that is the first one, cooking rice, is the correct one. Now, the question number 4: rusting is an example of dash. The options are like this: first one, an irreversible fast change, a reversible natural change, third one, a slow chemical change, and the fourth option is a periodical physical change. For this question, the third option, that is a slow chemical change, is the correct one. Now, the question number 5: which one of the following is not an example of a physical change? First option is mixing iron fillings and sulfur. Second option is carving shapes from vegetables. Third option, cooking vegetables in water. And the fourth option is slicing bread. For this question, the third bit, C1, that is cooking vegetables in water, is the correct option. Now, proceeding to the second question, that is, say if the statements are true or false. The first question goes like this: an earthquake is a human made change, and this statement is false. Second one, inflating a balloon is a physical change. This statement is true. Third one, boiling water is a chemical change. It is false. Fourth one, dissolving sugar in water is an irreversible change. This statement is false. Then, rusting of iron is a slow change. True. Sixth one, breaking a crayon is an irreversible change. True. Seventh one, pieces of camphor left exposed to air will gradually reduce in size. This statement is true. Now, proceeding to the third question, that is match the words in the two columns. The first one is iron oxide. For it, the answer is rust. Second one, naphthalene, sublimation. Third one, melting, slow change. Fourth one, cutting cloth, physical change. Fifth one, clock striking, periodic change. Sixth one, respiration, chemical change. Seventh one, burning paper, fast change. And the last one, that's the eighth one, growing of tree. The answer to this is irreversible change. Now comes give one word for the following changes. The first one is a change that takes place on its own. It is called as natural change. Second one, A change whose occurrence cannot be predicted, that is called as non-periodic. Third question, a change that is beneficial to us, it is called as a desirable change. Fourth one, a change where the initial substance can be got back, it is termed as physical change. Then the question number 5, a change in which only the appearance of the substance changes, it is a physical change. Sixth one, a change where a new substance is formed, it is a chemical change. Now the seventh one, a change that gives out heat, exothermic change. Then proceeding to the short answer questions. The first question goes like this. Chopping wood is a physical change. Why? Its answer is very simple. It is because there is no new substance is formed. Now the second question is, explain why dissolving sugar in water is not a chemical change. It is because the dissolved sugar can be separated from the solution and no new substance is formed. Third one, what is rusting? What conditions are necessary for rusting to take place? The formation of a reddish coating on the surface of iron objects is called rusting. It takes place in the presence of moisture and atmospheric oxygen. Now the question number 4. It goes like this. What kind of change is photosynthesis? What happens during photosynthesis? The answer is, photosynthesis is a physical photochemical change. During photosynthesis, plants prepare food in the presence of sunlight. Then question number 5. What are the uses of fuels? Fuels are used for many purposes, like to keep a lamp burning, an automobile vehicle to run, for cooking, then are used by aircrafts. And finally, the last question is given like this. What is an exothermic reaction? The chemical reaction in which heat is evolved to the surroundings are called exothermic reactions. My dear students, I hope that you all understood the contents of this video. Thank you for watching and learning from this video.